proper motorcycle ride, Lake Pleasant, Arizona.
12 bikes leaning into the curve, chrome reflecting the red rock walls, Lake Pleasant water drying on our backs. We are a chain of heavy links. The asphalt is a furnace floor. A furnace floor! Roll on, brothers, let the iron speak. The road is the only ground we own. Tear the air wide open, wide open, wide open. No man stands in our way today. The blacktop stopped at a wall of bodies, red banners waving in the desert wind. A boy in a black mask trembling, he says, you guys can pass through, but we don't leave our neighbors behind. Nobody is held hostage to views today. Not a soul behind! Roll on, brothers, let the iron speak. The road is the only ground we own. Tear the air wide open, wide open, wide open. No man stands in our way today. Look here, son, I don't care for your books or the way you want to carve the world up. You got 60 seconds to clear this line, not just for us, but for every car stuck in this. 10,000 glass screens held up high, historic sight for the world to see. The cruiser at the front lets out a chirp. The lawman says he's taking a late lunch. He peels his tires and leaves the line behind. Leaves the line behind! The banners fell as the panic set in, checking their pockets for a medical card. The crowd scattered like dust in a gale as the motorists let out a victory cry. The path is open, the path is wide, wide open, wide open. We're pressing on heat and 100 miles to go. The engines roar like 100 says tonight. Lead the way into the sunset tonight.